What's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to Vish-Vertex. Today, we're diving into Notion, the app that's revolutionizing productivity for students and professionals alike. Let's check it out. Today's app of the day is Notion, an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. Its flexibility and powerful features have made it a viral sensation. First up, Notion's famous databases. Whether it's to-do lists or project management, Notion lets you create dynamic databases to organize information your way. Plus, the template gallery offers ready-made solutions for notes, budgets, and projects. Another standout is the collaboration tools. Share pages, add comments, and work in real time with your team, perfect for group projects or remote work. Notion's interface is clean, minimalistic, and intuitive. You can drag and drop elements to build your workspace. Available on iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and web, it syncs across all devices. Why has Notion gone viral? Its customizability and ease of use have attracted over 20 million users. Ready to supercharge your productivity? Download Notion today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech content.